Today I will demonstrate how to wear an N95 mask. The mask has the lower strap, the upper strap. This metal part is on the top and the other part should come at the bottom.
Hold the strap with the lower strap. Hold the mask with the lower strap. Put it around your chin and take it backwards below your ears. Correct the strap. Hold the top strap and now take it above your ears. Correct the fit of your mask near the chin. Correct the fit of the mask towards the sides. With 3 fingers of each hand, press the metal strap on top so that you get a secure fit. Now that you have fit the mask, check the seal. So when you breathe through a respirator, the respirator should move in and out with each inhalation and exhalation. Feel for any air leaks on the sides of the mask. If there are any air leaks, which most of the time occurs near the top strap, readjust the metal lining once again. Sometimes people do not get a proper fit near the lower part of the chin. So in such cases, the lower strap can be brought from below the ear, yes, and then repositioned it once again. So every time when you exhale and inhale, yes, the mask should move a bit inside and outside. You can wear a face shield on top of this. Removal of the N95 respirator. Perform hand hygiene. Bend forwards a bit. Feel for the lower strap. Bring the strap forward in front of the mask. Leave it there. Feel for the top strap. Bring it forwards and slowly and gently remove the mask as a whole. Do not touch the front surface of your mask.